Welcome to the Markets Mindset. Today, we're uncovering a subtle but destructive trading habit, the need to be right. It's one of the biggest psychological traps that keeps traders from ever reaching consistency. Because deep down, most traders don't actually want to make money, they want to prove themselves right. Let's break that down. When you take a trade and it goes your way, it feels amazing. It's not just profit, it's validation. It tells your ego, see, I knew I was right. But when a trade goes against you, it doesn't just hit your account, it hits your identity. Suddenly, you're not just wrong on a chart, you're wrong as a person. That's why so many traders struggle to take a loss. It's not about the money, it's about the meaning attached to losing. Because if you believe being wrong equals failure, you'll do everything possible to avoid it. You'll move stops. You'll hold losers. You'll revenge trade just to get even. All because you can't emotionally accept being wrong. Here's the hidden cost of that mindset. It's massive. When you trade to be right instead of trading to win, you lose your ability to adapt. You ignore new information. You stop seeing clearly. You trade what you want to see, not what's actually there. And in trading, that's the difference between survival and destruction. Every professional trader eventually learns this painful truth. You don't get paid for being right. You get paid for being disciplined. Let me repeat that. You don't get paid for being right. You get paid for being disciplined. When you think about your trading results, it's not your winning trades that define you. It's how you handle the losses. A professional trader doesn't tie their self-worth to a single outcome. They tie it to process, to execution, to how well they followed their plan even when it hurt. That's what separates those who survive from those who quit. If you look at the best traders in the world, people like Tom Howgard, Mark Douglas, or Paul Tudor Jones, every one of them says the same thing in different words. The market doesn't care who you are, what you think, or how smart you feel. It rewards discipline, not ego. So how do you start letting go of the need to be right? First, reframe what being wrong means. A losing trade isn't a personal failure, it's a business expense. Every business has costs. Trading is no different. Second, measure success by behavior, not results. Did you follow your plan? Did you respect your stop? Did you manage risk correctly? If yes, then it was a successful trade regardless of the outcome. And third, get comfortable with uncertainty. You'll never have control over what happens next. The best you can do is control your response. The more you can detach from outcomes, the more clearly you'll see. Because the moment you stop needing to be right, you open the door to becoming profitable. You stop fighting the market and start flowing with it. In the end, trading isn't about proving you know where the market's going. It's about surviving long enough to still be here when it finally does. So ask yourself this: do you want to be right, or do you want to win? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.